This is a good one. I think you would like this laser all-in-one makeup kit, makeup for women. We'll see that it is about $46 and in good colors. It is all-in-one makeup kit, combo makeup set, waterproof and long-lasting, special perfect gift, best services. All available. You see few photos. You can see that lot of things available there, and you can see these eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, and also different lip gloss colors and cosmetic brushes and pressed powder and liquid foundation. For everything you can use this. A nice makeup set, full makeup set. Laser all-in-one makeup kit for women. I request you to come to my link and buy one. Thank you for watching my video.